Welcome to Small Health Channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for your health, but often overlooked: the hidden signs of vitamin deficiencies. These subtle signals from your body can easily go unnoticed, but catching them early can make a world of difference. Let's get into it. Sign number 1: brittle hair and nails. Does your hair break easily? Are your nails constantly splitting? This could be more than a cosmetic issue. Brittle hair and nails are often linked to a deficiency in biotin, also known as vitamin B7. Biotin plays a crucial role in keeping your hair, skin, and nails healthy. People with this deficiency may also experience muscle pain or a scaly red rash. If this sounds familiar, it might be time to evaluate your diet. Foods rich in biotin include eggs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. If you suspect a deficiency, a supplement may help, but always consult with a healthcare professional first. Sign number 2: mouth ulcers or cracks at the corners of your mouth. Painful sores inside your mouth or cracked corners around your lips? These can be signs of vitamin B or iron deficiencies. Deficiencies in B vitamins, especially riboflavin B2, niacin B3, and folate B9, can lead to oral discomfort. Iron deficiency can also compromise your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections, including those in your mouth. To boost your intake, incorporate leafy greens, red meat, poultry, fish, and legumes into your diet. Again, consult your doctor before making major changes, especially if these symptoms persist. Sign number 3: bleeding gums. If your gums bleed frequently, especially when you brush or floss, this might be more than poor dental hygiene. It could indicate a vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps your gums and overall immune system strong. A lack of it can lead to swollen, inflamed, or bleeding gums, as well as a weakened immune response. Eating more citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli can help increase your vitamin C intake. Since the human body doesn't produce or store vitamin C, regular consumption is crucial. Sign number 4: poor night vision or white growths on your eyes. Struggling to see well in low light, or have you noticed strange white growths on the whites of your eyes? These may be signs of a vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is vital for eye health and vision, especially night vision. Severe cases can even lead to a condition called xerophthalmia, which can cause blindness if left untreated. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin A. Remember, though, excessive vitamin A can be toxic, so moderation is key. Sign number 5: restless leg syndrome. That uncomfortable urge to move your legs, especially at night? It's called restless leg syndrome, RLS, and in some cases, it's linked to iron deficiency. Iron plays a role in dopamine production, which is crucial for proper brain function and muscle movement. Low levels of iron can worsen RLS symptoms, making it hard to get a good night's sleep. Foods like red meat, spinach, and lentils are rich in iron, but if your RLS is severe, you should consult a doctor who may recommend supplements or further testing. So, these are 5 hidden signs of vitamin deficiencies you should never ignore. Remember, your body often whispers before it screams, so pay attention to these subtle cues and seek medical advice if you have concerns. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.